everyone, welcome back to Roger Journal. I'm Alice. I'm happy to having you back to my travel journaling video. Today I'm going to use Daphne's diary because in one of the last year's issues there was an article about Porto. It was a beautiful and perfect article introducing the charm of Porto. So I cut out lots of pictures and images from the magazine. You might notice that this was the issue that I made a notebook tutorial with, and you might also remember I have two of this issue, one in Dutch and one in English by accident. I was so lucky to have two of the same issues so I could cut out images from both sides. The article had so many clip arts that I wanted to keep in my journal. So I did a lot of fussy cutting this day. And we visited the church in the article, so I wanted to include the pamphlets in this page. I loved the header decoration, but the envelope was in the way, so I cut the middle a little bit. I wanted to glue this big title in full size and also wanted to still use the envelope, so this was what I thought out. I love how this worked. I'm continuing to glue the pieces from the magazine. I cut out so much so the pages became just full of them. It's like I reconstituted the magazine pages in my journal. I love how the colors are working and the photos remind me where I visited. I really like it. I started to work on making cards to put in the envelope. I cut the pamphlets to size, glued one and fixed another one with washi tape on the other side. Then I added a label to write the date. The first card is done like this. I'm moving on to the next. I decided to make a pocket with this yellow scrap. I decorated it with washi tapes and added a map from the magazine and a photo of tiles that I took in a vintage market. And I did the similar on the back as well. And the last, I cut a photo of tram to make a tuck spot on a journaling card for the pocket. This is an actual tram ticket. The tram in Porto was so cute and so nostalgic. So this is how today's journaling is done, but I did one more thing. To prevent the envelope from trying to open all the time, I added this little paper strap. I believe I saw this idea a long time ago in Melissa's Instagram. Her account is Moonside Parlor. She makes amazingly beautiful journals. I'll link her Instagram and YouTube channel in the description box. So I hope you enjoyed this journaling process video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful week. Bye bye.